I've got some data, it's ready to shine. Words in my table, all in a line, but I want something cool, something I see. A word cloud, yeah, that's the key. Creating word clouds, it's easier now. In Excel, we're making it wow. Highlight the text, let it flow. Watch your words and colors grow.
Wow, it's amazing how easy it is to create a word cloud now in Microsoft Excel. So what I have here is I have 3,000 rows of data. I have words over there in the title. I'm going to come here on the Home tab to Copilot, Advanced Analysis, and I want to create a word cloud from the data in the title column. Make sure to exclude stop words. Those are title words like the, a, and, of, and so on. Press send. All right, so it's going to tell me that it's going to use Python, and I say start advanced analysis. It inserts a new sheet. You see that I get this warning that I've used more Python than my monthly allowance, but that's okay, it still keeps running. So there's the data frame, and then here's the Python code. All right, this is awesome. Down here, the actual Python to create the word cloud. It is so simple. They're importing from word cloud and stop words. We're getting just the title and joining those titles into a single string and then generating the word cloud. It looks like width of 800, height of 400, easy to change that. All right, so very quickly a word cloud. I can right click and say save as picture and have a picture of that. Now, what if I want to change that to use the description instead? So you see back here, we have a description that's like a paragraph for each record. So we just come in here, and where they had used title before, I'll use description, and that should do it. So Control Enter here. There we are. Look at that. Look how amazingly easy it is to create word clouds. I know I've done it in the past. It involves going out to websites, doing a lot of analysis in Excel, and this is just so easy. When I tried it this morning, the whole thing was done in 2 minutes. I was just simply amazed. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Yet another great reason for your company to subscribe to Copilot 365 with this new advanced analysis that's in preview. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.
No more hassle, no more pain. Click and go, it's all so plain. Visualize the words that stand. Excel's got it, it's in your hand.
If you like these videos, please down below like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below.